Air is invisible, but the effects of air pressure are amazing. It's gonna pop out. Bam! You feel the pressure? And you can prove the power of pressure at home with the cool experiments we're gonna do today. I'm Steve Spangler, and I love blowing stuff up with the power of science. I'm gonna show you how you can do it yourself. Bam! You can harness the power of science in your own home with DIY Sci. Yeah! Hi, I'm Steve Spangler. Welcome to DIY Sci. Today, we're talking about pressure. You ever pop your ears, on an airplane or a car ride, you're trying to equalize things? That's pressure. Now, pressure technically is the amount of force over an applied area. Believe it or not, there's air pushing on every square inch of your body, and there's a lot of air pushing on every square inch of your body. Maybe the best way to show you is this. Take a look at this. It's a steel bar. It's a heavy steel bar. It's 14.7 pounds of mass. Look at this. And the end is a square inch. So imagine this resting on every square inch of your body. That's the pressure you feel if you're at sea level. It's this huge column of air that's pushing down, and if you can learn how to harness the power of that air, you can do some pretty amazing things, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. Let me show you the power of air pressure using some simple things that you can find at home. You're going to need a bowl. Might be a little bit messy, and a glass container, so that's fine. A coaster, but you could also use a playing card or anything that will cover the surface. And of course, a little bit of water. All right, so the water goes into the jar like this. We're gonna take it all the way to the very top. Perfect. And now the card goes in place. The whole thing turns upside down. Now you understand why we have a bowl. All right, now this is the leap of faith because you need to let go of the card and just hope that the water stays there. Stay there, water, stay there. Bam. There it is, right? So look, the water stays in. There's no glue, there's nothing at all. There it is. If you're very brave, it's up and over your head. That's only if you're brave. Oh, I just felt something. Here we go. I'm back down again. And now, just to prove to you there's no trick, turn it upside down. The coaster is fine, and the water is back. So if you said that the secret to